Obi, say girl no, we ye doctor. Say on your doctor. Make her free family. Make us should be a pain. Me shro and net, me shro china. Me say sa girl no. On your doctor and net. On your doctor china. On your doctor Ghana. Warrior. They are playing legal gymnastics. And I owe it a duty to the Ghanaian people. Some woman who say on your doctor. Because one way you're watching, I prescribe a drug. I'm obi. Now I want to send this warning to you. If you answer, maybe not try when him said them here. And fire. Now me obi you should know. Woman kwasia we da wa. Obe na ma drag you out. Precisely. And you will feel it. Exactly. Ona wo de sa niam hunu no awo ye na eye bibie me tie what you see is what you get me ni bibia hide it is a woman ho kwan makwase we da wa you should know me by now say me nko form alone da fire etija nkwasem na wudi no tie de make ani me say I owe it a duty to the Ghanaian people girl no onye doctor babia all over the world America onye doctor babia and me prove bibia kire mu sisia Mosha ya yeso ama ayi niama metafio abepa cho so ayi letter na we so hwe niama a chopa na o say wa nkoje sa information so de be Google na nimu ase not that information nya no kuro so it's true say Ghana Medical Association for so munim no Medical and Dental Council for so munim no now girl na timi ama kwase we o te America aba be dada nkrofo say or your doctor wa America and no oba ye no drag me into the matter say me na me share chiri first of all me need time for that nonsense but me catch re won say me say even America girl na your doctor opa mama lawyer bia ntro make Africa so they make court for defamation now dia wo ye ne say o hwe ya lawyer na wo tworo letter ne ba say you know first of all lawyer wo tworo letter chambers nka ho dani letter no to no mo hwe lawyer wo tworo letter chambers nka ho we nyina ye hunahuna na sa ga we minimum ne che me draw session here eti letter we no be hwe no na draft and we do obi din ahye so eti me say me ko Africa say ye nka nura akoye a wote abrochira ni jimi da bia wo drag me din into the madi anka wo kasa ye no wa prove ya kire Ghana for say Ghana ye medical doctor in America obia wo ye medical doctor in America bia o one number ne unique number every professional in the world has a unique number Ghana say o John Hopkins University me ko Africa me say wa John Hopkins woni John Hopkins babia na maya see mama kasem cho san evia one way ya obeya na I am forced to come out in a very hard way. You can never survive it. Don't do that. When you ma we na chire menim ni nyina me ana ma je se menka ho ase mamedina dani fa picture bi ebra ne yenhwa de so first of all there is a photo bia or say a year ne office etuba he no we design photo in such a way say or the pictures are bobo including one ankasa the pictures now if you don't let me come after you this way you are forcing me to defend myself mama me ahanti share picture where you mo share picture where you now this very picture a picture or portrait say a ne office our America first of all any office bia make every fan mama information any office bia now what share picture now see any office wa America na make sure even address or yes anyoma we efie kro I mean okay say 2022 year or mo pamo ni free mu don't do these things what ma kwasia we be so as if say kwasia we Kelvin Taylor bet me make every fan and Kelvin Taylor bet me and you are somebody you are my friend so me pese ye be call into this matter now go fi o share picture na e wo ho na dani hwade one of the pictures as a group picture tienyo we me de wawa en ho ma dani fa sa picture na de to so fabra isi ana me nchira Ghana for ani bi me de wawa en ho ma me de wawa en ho ma me se onye doctor wo wiase ba bia ni CV ekura mensem suku okoye meka ni nyina akire wo but let this be your last warning woni kwase ni nyina moma medina me pese me comment kwa me hia ni ama metafio busa niama no ene me hu ye na me friend no busa nse sa ne mo ko fa ene kwa na me friend niama me ne nkasa ba bia hu hia me eno me friend bolare da bi da ni fa we to fa picture no to fa ba ko na me zoom in wo de fa first one na de to ne bra fa first one ne bra na me che o ma die bi so go fi o sha picture na there is a group picture bi o de abo ho a it looks like a John Hopkins for and ono e she medal now da ni fa ba ko na me share that crop you zoom in let's zoom in into the picture na me chere Ghana for this girl is very dangerous she's very callous and she can edit so many things obi even sa case ya o ka say me ne no ayi me de ben aseno when him say ye call ye or edit WhatsApp chat no to look a certain kind of way now me prove bibia kire mo dani Osha picture na ejina ho na usumi ina original picture na is on the internet
precisely so
fire I don't know we open what is this
expose
Danny eti masha Danny zoom in sa ni group picture na mo hwe group picture na bo ne wo ho o se aye ne office no na men kire mo the original picture of the group picture sa picture na bo no na men kire mo eti wa shada edit e de ne ho agina middle but baby o gina no which oja black obi she black one in chese another coat one in chese and one no supposedly na she middle me boa this one very one eti one she ya picture na beka so ne gina middle I will show you the original picture ne ba boy ni ne ba your friend William I will show you the original picture or picking on internet and we edited in ho shame keke
more fire
me chinu rough if you say mama one me chinu rough me pe rough me pe rough
for pound
me mama for ne ho say wonya doctor babia bolare and me frɛ bola am catch say we me senior when the matter comes to bear one way ya media house no so this is the picture I will say eye the group picture nti wahwe as wonu ne gina eye emema na emienu ntem meboa e won ne fie ni suppose hospital officer no now that if fameko ni yanhwe the original picture fameko ni yanhwe the original picture if you answer don't get me angry in this country me rough o ma akwa we continue wo na akwa share na chi mo hia se empanimfo akwa we didi o matam nyina wo if you answer ana o share na chi mo yes angwase me pe kwa asem now this is the original picture. Monjo original picture no. And why edit say lady white you free moon and what do one who shame. Tie the make no. This is the original picture of Monjo Daninti Safa picture ne braba. Enti what dey share Monjo picture ni. So the girl is so crazy. She's full of editing so many things. Only Kelvin Taylor nyina pe. Me say na mo amuji Kelvin Taylor di muji ne di at your peril. So this is the picture or the abon office say. I see so ne gina nto hwe the lady in the middle of the black suit no and the other one no and why is a white lady nephew and what do on wash now I don't want nonsense stop this things
precisely
fire ada me nkwa na ma twempra utu woni abortion of 4x4 atwempra ada na ho hana dwene woni Timothy Bentum atwempra ada na ho hana dwene woni Eric Boahin atwempra sofo yi awuchi woni na atwempra ada na ho hana dwene me mpɛ kwasesem mama so nkwa didi me mpɛ rough se me kwati shu asa de wo ma kwase keke ya academy ja ye 6 years ni ka woni na so ni akiri a wo ye nkwase de ya wo yi me mpɛ rough ka sema kire wo Obayama na o pese wo hunu video a wankasa wo share da wo dress yes doctor e dey stethoscope se dey e bo wo komo awie ya wo dey share rubber bag mu dress o pese wo hunu ni nyina be ho me chin rough mama so nkwa didi achichide pani moja dodo aye di nsuo e be frem e fi asansa me chin rough wo dey andali oni andali you are aware me chin rough me chin rough Oma kwa we koso adragi me dia me ya omu mienu okrom ha no you be so shocked na wo sa kwase na so yire base me be see free na de ko ho se wo yire o hwe wani mu to aso tu a de woni tirimu nim na me ne wo be wie na o si play ma wo ba me chin rough wo ba betene krom ha so wo si yagimi a me se wo yire be mu ba betene krom ha and na wo yire hwe wani mu twice she knows what she knows. Na odi yakoso agimi said you hujimi. Me wona me yade na me yedin na me hwewa. Don't think so betimi aye san kwasesem na wo ye. Fire. Wo sa ge wo ye ye ne ade me an ma adwene se me jai